Mamma mia! T-bone! Hello! Welcome everybody to my kitchen. Today is the day. Today I'm gonna make for you a perfect T-bone steak. My favorite cut of the beef. And today we're gonna make a super special recipe. Of course, easy, you will love. Alright guys, let's go. Ingredients, super easy. We got 200 grams of butter. We have this really nice fresh bone marrow. Then we're gonna have 1 kg of amazing T-bone steak Australian. Then we have some parsley, couple of cloves of garlic, some salt and some pepper. Easy peasy, let's make our super special T-bone. Alright guys, first thing first, we need to prepare our bone marrow to make our sauce. Look how nice it is. 1 and 2. Here you are. 200 degrees, 20 minutes. Set it in. Bye bye. In the meantime, our bone marrow are cooking in the oven. We can start to prepare our super delicious aromatic butter. So, 200 grams of butter. And we cut our parsley. We chop it really nice and then we put with our butter. Now we chop our garlic. Once it's chopped so nice like this, we add it to our butter. Now with a fork we squeeze our butter and we wait for our last ingredient to make this super amazing sauce. After 5 minutes and our bone marrow is ready, we add it to this butter and we're gonna make a super delicious aromatic butter sauce. Now our bone marrow is ready. Alright guys, now the last part of our sauce, we're gonna let the bone marrow cool down a little bit, then we're gonna add all this really nice part to our butter to make a super delicious sauce, special sauce for our T-bone. Alright guys, to make a T-bone, a perfect T-bone, we need to follow certain steps. Always the same, never change. Even if it's a T-bone, or a ribeye, or a strip loin, different cut of the beef, there are rules and steps we need to follow. First thing first, we take our amazing T-bone. This is 2 finger, okay? We put here salt, black pepper. Of course, I'm Italian. I'm making Italian way, so some olive oil. And we massage. Oh, super nice. One side and 2 sides. Salt again, black pepper, and again, a little olive oil. Massage. Look, this is an amazing piece. Alright guys, so once we season our steak, we switch on the fire under the pan. And we make this pan super hot. Okay? In the way it's gonna sear or close our meat in both sides in a perfect way. You see? Our pan is ready guys. Now it's time to put our steak. Okay, so for 2 fingers of T-bone medium, okay, so the heart is still red, we need 3 minutes one side, 3 minutes another side. Easy peasy. Check the time of your watch. In the meantime, in 1 minute we finish our butter. We take our bone marrow, we roast it for 20 minutes. We add wow, you cannot imagine how much I love this. In Italy we do so many delicious recipes with the bone marrow. The super famous risotto with also buco. And many other recipes. See, we add all the bone marrow to our butter. Fantastic, guys. Now, time to mix. And then we're gonna make a super delicious sauce, unique for our steak. If you don't use all this sauce, you can storage inside the refrigerator and it will become butter again. Now it's time to add our butter here and all our fantastic herbs, some garlic, in the way we finish to cook our steak. Our perfect T-bone steak is ready, guys. Let's cut it. This is a gorgeous T-bone steak. Now, guys, is the time to add our amazing aromatic butter sauce with bone marrow. Hello, guys! Our super delicious T-bone steak with this aromatic bone marrow butter is ready. Enjoy. Meat is so tender, so seared, see, outside, and so juicy inside. This is the secret to make a special steak even at home. Mamma mia! Mamma mia! It's an explosion of taste inside my mouth. This butter makes this steak unique. Look, look. Wow. It's so full of taste. This time, Chef Paolo made it perfect. Make this steak at home. Follow all my steps and you're gonna love it. You're gonna make the most delicious steak you ever make. Few steps, easy and amazing. Thank you very much for following me, and of course, here, my home, my kitchen, next recipe, se vedremo. Bye bye!